Hi, welcome to Biker 1K. So today I'm going to play about with putting a LED headlight bulb in. So this is the kit that I bought. It's called the Knob Sight, as you can see. Got it off Amazon. I think it's about 23 quid. It's all over the forums. There's lots of people doing this. Alright, so this is like a little unboxing. As you can see, it's waterproof. It's a direct replacement, like for like swap, and it'd probably take you, well, 15-20 minutes or something. So that's what the box is. It comes in the box like that. Undo the box, get the instructions with it. Instructions are quite self-explanatory basically. Yeah. Basically tells you which way it's got to go in, how to adjust it once it's in if the pattern's not right. And the pattern's supposed to be right on this, guys. It's supposed to be a like for like swap, and people have took these for MOTs and had no issues with them whatsoever. And that picture there tells you how you can just twist it, rotate the body while it's in the housing. So it says on here, look, there's all your information. IP68 waterproof, which is pretty good, and it says there that it's good for about 100,000 hours. So that's the standard, bog standard yellow looking headlight that comes with a basic Deauville. Pretty useless, to be honest, hence all the extra lights are fitted. That's it on main beam. The lights either side, left and right, are little fingernail size, little finger size running lights that are fitted, and you can see that it looks specifically yellow. Alright, so to remove it then, take off the right hand fairing pocket with the key, the one with the lock in, undo these little fastenings. You should have two inside the pocket, one up by the fairing there. Remove that one, that's it removed. That's holding the hand deflectors on, and then you can lift that up and it gives you access down the right hand side into the headlight. Pull the wire off. It's a 3-pin connector. It should just pull off, there's nothing holding it on, and it's the one with the white, green and blue wires on. That's your headlight wires. Behind that you've got a little rubber cup that just pulls off. A little bit fiddly, but it just pulls off. That's it, fully removed. Alright, and then you can just see it there. There's a little wire clip at about the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock position. Remove that wire clip, pull the bulb out. That's the old H4A bulb that came out, and that's a comparison of the two. The old one on the right, the new one on the left. As you can see, the little tangs that stick out are in exactly the same place, and that's the new bulb fitted into place. It was really fiddly there, guys, to get the metal clip back on. That probably took me about 10 minutes to do that. Put the rubber boot back on, insert the wires again. It only goes one way, and as you can see there, it's a bright white light. Now I haven't taken it out at night, this is daylight and I've just closed the garage door down, but you can see how much whiter that light is. So I'm really happy with that mod. 24 quid, really improves the headlight on it, and we shouldn't have an issue. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.